Okay, Patrick,
Yeah, she
here's
knew
your
about that.
DeLonghi Magnifica.
I just didn't mention the switch of the.
You brought this unit in because you said it was leaking water and not reading the water levels properly, but we took the sides and the back off for you, and we tested it about 15 to 20 times. And I'll just show you here that we cannot seem to find a leak anywhere. And we haven't gotten a problem reading the water levels neither. So I just wanted to make a video to show you that we've examined and don't think there's an issue. So here we go. One shot. No leaks. No leaks anywhere. As you can see, there is no water coming from pumps. No water at the base of the unit. And it pours a nice shot of crema. So yeah, couldn't find an issue. If it ever leaks again, I would recommend checking the drip tray and making sure that your water tank is pushed in properly. Thanks again.